The demand for skilled respiratory therapists is higher than ever. At Gaston College, you will gain the technical expertise and real-world experience needed to provide essential care for patients with breathing disorders. The Respiratory Therapy program is a full-time 5-semester program. The type of student that would do well in respiratory therapy is a student who likes math and likes hands-on training. Students earn their BLS, ACLS, PALS, and NRP while they're in the program for the 2 years. Upon graduation, students are then eligible to go sit for the MBRC exam. A respiratory therapist can work in hospitals, PFT labs, home care, med center air, long-term vent units. A student graduating out of the program could expect to make $32 to $36 an hour. The demand locally is very high. All hospitals are very short-staffed looking for more respiratory therapists. The faculty that we have here at Gaston College brings experiences of working in a long-term ventilator unit to a large trauma hospital. This program has lots of hands-on experience. We train on the equipment that is used at the local hospitals. Take the first step toward a fulfilling future in respiratory care and gain the skills you need to make a lasting impact in healthcare at Gaston College.